Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Valorant error, and the error is purchase failed, something went wrong, please try again later. So if you're getting this purchase failed error in Valorant game, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now a Valorant purchase failure stating something went wrong usually happens due to a server outages, bank payment restrictions or client side glitches. So here are some common fixes and checks. First, check the server status. So verify if Riot Game services are down via the Riot Game service status page. You can check this Riot Game service status page. I will provide this link in my video description. So you can see over here Riot Game service status. You can see that Valorant game is facing some server issues, as well as League of Legends is also facing some server issues. So in such case, you have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. You can also try alternative options. You can switch to a different credit card, PayPal, or a Riot prepaid gift card. You can also restart the client. So completely close Valorant and the Riot client, then relaunch them and then check if a problem is solved or not. Now this is the second fix that is working for many users. You can try these steps. Step 1 is to untick enable auto updates and repair Valorant game files. Step 2 is to restart your PC. Step 3 is to open Riot Client as an administrator. Step 4 is to then log into your Riot Client and then retry and check. So open Riot Client, click on this profile icon and then click on settings. Here select Valorant and make sure enable auto update is untick. If it is ticked mark, then untick it. Scroll down and then click on repair and then click on start repair to confirm it. And once the scanning and repair of the files has been done, then close it. And then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. This is step 2. And once your PC restart, then in Windows search type Riot Client and open the Riot Client as an administrator. So click on run as administrator. Click yes to allow. And once the Riot Client run as administrator, then you can go ahead, try to make payment. I try to make purchase and check if your problem is solved or not. So this fix has worked for many users. So you can try this and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to wait for Valorant server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve purchase failed error. Something went wrong. Please try again later in Valorant. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.